Our new infotainment systems come with Google built into them, which also enable you to talk to your vehicle. You can make use of this function by saying, "Hey Google, where is the nearest charging station? Hey Google, what is my battery range?"
You can drive for about 606 kilometers with the remaining petrol and charge.
Play Spotify.
Sure.
Turn on the air conditioner.
Okay, turning on the aircon.
Make the temperature 20 degrees.
Changing the temperature to 20 degrees.
One of the features we'd like to mention that come within the Google Infotainment System is once you have selected a destination, your hybrid or your full electric EV will optimize your drive by either taking the hybrid battery range as well as your fuel range and optimize it to provide the best results. Or your full electric vehicle will suggest charging stations along the way.